Oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. Oh, I don't know. I had a bit of a upset with the old microwave the other day. Came in and the old fuse had tripped. And when I looked at the microwave, there was no lights or anything on. Tried it, switched it on, checked the fuse and everything, but no, it had gone past its sell-by date. Anyway, as you do, I went and got another one, and I got a nice microwave, and it's a DeLonghi, I think it's 900 whatever watts, you know, does all the things a microwave's supposed to do, and very good, but I found out a bit of a dangerous thing on it. When I opened the door and I was getting something out the other day, and I must not have opened the door quite far enough, and I catch my arm on one of these corners. You see the corner there, how sharp it is, and that's what it did there. Dug into my arm. And these corners are really sharp. It looks like somebody's filed them up to make them even sharper. Surely they could have made a round corner or a blunt corner, but it's very sharp is that. So anybody who gets one of these DeLonghi microwaves, just be careful, or else you'll end up cutting your old arm like that. Anyway, that's it now. Thank you, bye.